A pumping station is just one of the ways to speed up the subsidence of floods, especially in flood-prone areas. So if the pumping station is not working, according to Secretary Vince Dizon, there is a high chance that the subsidence of flood water will slow down. In his inspection at the Remedios pumping station in the city of Manila, he assured that the pumps are operational now, that the rain has not stopped.
Very important kan yung gumagana lahat ng pumps kasi yan ang taga-higop all the way to Taft Avenue. Pag yan hindi gumana, garantisado baha dito. Pero pag gumagana, hindi masyadong babahain tong area na to. Kaya ngayon, kahit na malakas yung ulan, since nag-pump out tayo, walang baha dito ngayon. So, ano lang naman kailangan lang talaga gumagana yung mga pumping stations.
According to the secretary, while there are a few other pumping stations being repaired in the city, the DPWH and MMDA have deployed mobile pumps so that they can continuously help pump rainwater.
Kasi laging nasisira yung mga pump dahil pinapasok ng basura. No, yung mga pump na nasisira, ang number one cause ng pagkasira ng pump, hindi lang tubig ang nahihigop pati basura nahihigop. Pagka yung basura, lalo na yung mga malaking basura, pinasok yung pump, nasisira yung pump.
The secretary also added that a detention basin will also be installed in the city that can hold up to 3 million liters of rainwater before going straight to Manila Bay. Besides this, as soon as the rain stops, the expansion of drainage inlets across Metro Manila will also begin so that rainwater can flow faster.
Start with the national roads. Ross Boulevard, EDSA, C5, Taft, Espanya, Quezon Avenue, Commonwealth, lahat ng mga malalaking kalye. And mag-umpisa tayo dun sa mga flood-prone areas sa mga kalye na yan.
According to Dizon, not only does the drainage system encounter issues because of trash, but even the pumping stations do as well. That is why if there will be a single ticketing system for improper trash disposal across Metro Manila,
kailangan nating multahan. Pero kailangan ding pakita ng gobyerno na ginagawa niya yung part niya para ayusin itong problema sa basura at saka sa problema sa pagbaha. Diba? Kasi mas mabigat ang responsibilidad ng gobyerno kaysa sa responsibilidad ng tao. So, sama-sama tayo dito.
Secretary Dizon also emphasized that no single solution can change the country's situation. But if Filipinos work together with the government on its initiatives, the flood problem will somehow be reduced. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.